4Science, share your knowledge. In today's digital age, research and education institutions are faced with the challenge of managing and preserving an ever-increasing amount of digital assets. 4Science offers a comprehensive DSpace solution, but it's the add-on modules that truly unlock the platform's potential. The IIIF Advanced Image Viewer module is a must-have for any institution with a large image collection. This module uses the best international standard to work with image collections and enjoy them. The OCR module is a great tool for institutions with large collections of scanned documents. This module uses optical character recognition technology to promptly find the information you need from your digitized documents. The data quality module helps you check and manage duplicates and create a duplicate-free repository. The document viewer module provides a user-friendly interface for viewing documents, making it easy for users to navigate and read documents. With the content and usage statistics module, you can monitor how users interact with the repository and create charts representing content. The Analytics and Reporting module is a powerful set of tools for data analysis, reporting, and data visualization. The UX Plus module enhances the user experience with a modern and intuitive interface to access and interact with digital content. The Network Lab module generates dynamic graphs discovering unexpected links between people, documents, projects, events, organizations, and more. 4Science's add-on modules offer a range of powerful tools to help institutions manage and preserve their digital assets. These modules have a real impact on the user experience and are designed to help institutions achieve their goals. So if you're looking to take your repository to the next level, look no further than 4Science. For more information, visit 4science.com or send us an email at info@4science.com. 4Science, powering research and education.